Mark Luckall coming up on Tuesday night in the League Cup. How do you see that one?
Well, going back to the fact that we've lost our first 2 games, I think it's important. But again, kick on. Today we've got a good win, clean sheet, 2 goals, and as I said earlier, we start with a result. We now build upon it, and I'm looking forward to seeing more so probably the first half of what we've seen today. I thought was very good. We tailed off second half a wee bit, but going back, it shows you it's there, and it's just trying to reinforce the belief in the players that they can go and do that every day. And again, team from our league, so we'll be looking to get hopefully through that and then play one of the so-called bigger boys in the next round.
And with Luckall coming up and them being in our league, does that give us a bit more of a measure maybe of where we're at or what we still need to do?
Yeah, I think so. I say we've got this game behind us today, lower league. Again, it's a game everybody expects you to win. Maybe expects you to go out and win 6, 7, 8, but we knew what our priorities were today, and we've done that. So now we move on to Tuesday and try to take those same things into Tuesday's game and get another good result.
And the games are coming thick and fast, 2 a week at the minute. Players maybe prefer to play rather than training, but is it difficult to manage all those games from a management point of view?
Not too difficult. It is whenever we're picking up slight knocks. We were limited today on people we could bring onto the pitch with a few wee knocks, and as I say, with games coming. So you've got to manage the players well that way too, and you just keep your fingers crossed that you don't come off the pitch. With the games coming up so thick and fast, you're coming off the pitch with no more injuries, which thankfully we don't.
And Lisburn Distillery on Saturday, presumably the aim is to go there and get something, get our league campaign up and running.
Yeah, it's all about momentum, and every manager will stand here and tell you exactly the same thing, and we've now started that process of momentum. We've got our first win. We now take it on to Tuesday night, hopefully win that and build again for the league campaign and get us off and running too.
Okay, Mark, thank you.
We could be